Hey guys, hope you're doing well. We're back with, I don't know what this is, 4 or 5 days of growth. There you go. Today we're using Eros, Yaqi Boar Bristle brush, and this gold monkey that has a Coticule edge. I am experimenting. Before I left for the trip, I was experimenting with something, and I never tried the results on that, so we took a little break, and we're back. And here, look how yogurty this is. We did 4 pumps of pre-shave oil. I enjoy the poor man's pre-shave oil better, but like I've said before, I have that, so I have to use it. Can't just let it go to waste. But yeah, we're back from the Chicago trip. A lot was learned. Some cool stuff was there. Some cool booths. Ate some good food. And I'll make another video eventually about the trip, or shaving, and then I'll put some pictures if you guys are interested in that. Didn't take too many pictures. All right. I don't even remember if I know how to do this anymore. That's a lot of stubble. That's crazy how much stubble there is in there. Gotta clean the blade. This is crazy. Saw Eric's video, shaving. I love when he does his shaving videos. I saw Long Haul Tankers. I saw Martin playing with Charlie Forest. He has 3 stones there, so that's fun. I've read the same thing, Martin. Like, I've read online that they're slates, but then I've also read they're novaculites. And just like that, the growth there is gone. Obviously, the first pass was a little bit rougher because there is more stubble, like way more stubble. But in the second pass, you didn't feel a thing. And this is video, I'm recording it just after waking up. Against the grain, baby. Yeah, experimenting with full pass. And that's baby smooth. Baby smooth. Let's wash our face. Put some ice blue aqua velva. I want to see, because the experiments I was doing was to see the comfort level. That feels good. Honestly, during the shave, no irritation. Oh yeah. Yeah, I need to keep experimenting with what I'm doing because I am feeling no discomfort at all. It's like the third shave in a row. And whatever results I get, after I see there's a pattern or whatever, I'll talk about it maybe. Or shoot Devin a message and see what he thinks. I missed a spot, guys. Excuse me here. The funny thing is, I always find that when I have more stubble, the more irritation I have. But not the case this time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I was gone for a while, and I'm happy I'm back. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.